Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to show you a few things you can do with your dual screen for your LG V60. But before I get into this video, check this out. Alright everyone, so you decided to pick up the V60, you have the dual screen, look at that beautiful thing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few things that you can actually do with your V60 using the dual screen. Isn't that a beautiful looking sight? Man, I've been having a phone for a little over a week now, going on to 2 weeks, and I'm really enjoying the phone. I'm going to come back and tell y'all my thoughts about it in a different video. This one, I just want to show you what I have learned, what I can do with the dual screen. If you have any other tips or tricks that I don't show, please let me know in the comments so that way we can actually learn together. If you learn something new, let me know in the comments too. But let's go ahead and get this started. Look at that, dual screen. So the first thing I want to go over is when you open it up, it looks beautiful. But say you already have it turned off, right? So when you open it off, it's off. You don't have to worry about the screen coming on. Now, if you want to, you can double tap and it will wake up. So you don't even have to use this little icon here. Say focus. The other thing I want to start off with is if you click here, it gives you options. It gives you all the options of the dual screen. If my camera will focus. The one thing it does pretty cool, so if you want to open up an app every time you turn on your phone, say you're into Twitter really big, say you love Twitter, right? So what you do is close it and you open it up. Twitter, once you unlock it, Twitter should pop up. So that's under the options, and then it's under what we call, or what they call, My Pick app. You could change it to any app that you want on there. So if you want Google, close it, and Google will pop up once you unlock the phone. You gotta unlock the phone though. And there you go, Google's on there. That's pretty easy. The next thing is what you got the phone for. You can multitask. So say if I had Google here and I want to search Twitter or Facebook, I'm going to do, let's do Twitter. So there you go. You have Google and then you have Twitter. And I don't know why the Twitter is not, that one is not in dark mode, but there you go. Now the cool thing about it, and somebody asked me in the video, is if I want to do Twitter and say I want to search Facebook, I'm going to get out of that Facebook post because, yeah, I saw in trouble with my brothers. But so you can actually, I can do Twitter, I can do Facebook, even if I want to change this to like YouTube, I can watch a YouTube video. Check out Easy Computer Solutions. He's actually live during this video. So I can do Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube all at the one time. Nope. You cannot put 4 apps on this thing. You can do 3 though. What y'all think about that one? I think that's actually pretty cool. And if you want to get out of it, you can just get out. The other thing I want to show you, which is actually pretty cool, is on a camera setting. So that looks cool. If I want to do a video. But if I hit this little button up there, it has my screen. Look at that. So if I want to hit record, I can hit record and show the video. That's actually pretty cool. You can use it as your gallery. I only have one video on there because I deleted most of the stuff off. But that's actually pretty cool too. Or even if you want to take a photo, you can actually, again, use it as your viewfinder and use that button if you want to press it. That's actually pretty cool. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all let me know. Now the next thing I want to show y'all is another great feature. So say I want to send an email to somebody. Yes, I get some weird spam folders, email, so we're not going to read what that says. But if I wanted to actually reply to them, that's a normal keyboard. So all you really need to do, if you turn this landscape and actually take 3 fingers, move it up. If I hit reply, the bottom comes the keyboard. So I can type in there whatever I want. You can do that in emails. You can do it in text messages. You just got to make sure you're using the LG keyboard, but you can do it in any app. I mean, even Telegram or anything. You can, as long as you're in landscape, you can even hit that little button there, and then it has the keyboard. The other thing that I want to show you, which is pretty cool. All right, so let me bring up Instagram and show y'all something really cool too. I'm gonna move this over. To the other screen. Say you want it, or say you're texting your friend, you're talking to your friend. I'm gonna go to my kids' school. They always let me know what's going on. And say you want to take a picture of the Saints. Look at that. Shout out to the Saints. Normally you do a screenshot, you have to hold down the phone, hold down the power button and the volume down. But the cool thing is about this is that little button right there. That little button will let me take a screenshot and post it into my text message. The great thing about it doesn't save in your gallery or on your phone. So you can always come back to it. I mean, you just send it, and it's not saved on your phone. And that works in many different apps. The Telegram app, you can work in the email. I've seen it work in email and everything. So that's actually a great feature. I actually love it. So even if I go to Telegram, which I don't use my Forbes tech reviews too much. I don't even know where it's at. Let's see. There you go. Forbes tech reviews. If I want to take a picture, there you go. That's actually really cool. I think that's actually one of the best features with this case. One of my favorite things to do with this phone is actually play games. I'm not going to play it on this one. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have an in-depth gaming review. But the cool thing about the games is it has this gamepad. So if you just click on that, it will bring up the gamepad. Now, this works with certain games already that they have on the V60. The cool thing about it, if you don't have a gamepad that works or a game that works with the gamepad, you can actually create one. And what you can do is go to that little button there. See this little control button right there? That little control right there. You press it, and you can make up your own gamepad. I have one for Fortnite, which I was playing a little bit earlier. And you can custom make it. And what you can do with that, if you have a game that doesn't automatically go with the gamepad, you can put in where you want the controls and where the touch control is, and it works great with the game. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to show that more off in the game, but this one is just some things you can do. So you can have the phone down, and you can play your game on there with no problem. And it works out great for games, man. Great for games. So let me close that out. Get into this one. Now that was another cool trick that you can do with the V60 dual screen. The next thing I want to show you is the wide view on here. So say I'm bringing up Google. And say I don't want that screen. Say I want it in both of them. So you go here. You can hit wide view right there. See where it says wide view? And now you can have one screen. Yes, I know it has the big gap in the middle, but hey, look. Unlike the Axon M, the screens actually line up. But the cool thing is if you rotate it, and you can go up there. That's actually a lot better you can do whatever you want. It's a bigger screen. Shout out to Kelly Carson, Fortnite. City Council in San Antonio about the virus going around. But so that's actually pretty cool. What y'all thought about that? The last thing I want to show you, what you could actually do too, if you have any little kids around that want to, say, search the internet for homework, but you still want to use your phone, say you're watching YouTube, you can actually create a tent. So I can watch YouTube, and then that thing I can flip over real quick. So they can search the internet or do their homework on that side while I'm watching YouTube videos on this side. Now, do you trust your kid doing your homework? Maybe, maybe not. But you can actually play 2 different games with the phone too. So somebody could play a game on this side, I could play a game on here, and just touch the screen. You don't have to worry about it. Or even if you just want to watch YouTube, you can just watch YouTube and just have it like this as a kickstand too. That's actually pretty cool, I think so too. Now on the wide view, it only works with a few apps. So let me bring that back up too. Let's see, I'm gonna say none for this. The wide view, if you go into the settings here, that's the apps that it actually works with. There's an app in the Google Play Store. I'm going to make a separate video for that you can actually do widescreen on most of the apps on your phone. But I'm going to save that for a different video. So that was some things I have learned with the LG V60 in the last week and a half. If you know of any other tricks or little things that you can do with the phone, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I love learning from my community. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned anything from it, let me know in the comments below too. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more coverage on the LG V60. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.